our planet's vibrant tapestry brims with life. Yet beneath this beauty, a silent storm of ecological disruption brews. Arising from human endeavors such as deforestation, pollution, and overconsumption, this disruption tatters the natural order. Join us as we peel back the layers of damage, spotlight the urgency of our actions, and kindle the flame of hope towards a sustainable future. This journey is not a mere tale of decline, but a narrative woven with collective potential for change. Step forth with us to understand the magnitude and depth of ecological disruption as the essential precursor to our world's restoration. Humanity's touch, once delicate, now bears the brute force of ecological harm. Industrialization's forward march has birthed disruptive forces, leaving pollution's shadow over the natural realm. Each fallen forest marks biodiversity lost, a stark reminder of the cost of our relentless growth. Tracing the roots back to our daily activities and consumer choices, we expose a layered dilemma. We stand at the front line of this environmental saga, ready to decipher the complex web of consequences and to pinpoint hopeful solutions. The shaping of our future hangs in the balance, and the coming segment further reveals the interconnectedness and risks at the crux of our ecological quandaries. Imagine life as a symphony and biodiversity as its orchestra. Today, the harmony teeters as species loss erodes our planet's grand composition. Ecosystem services, the rhythms essential to life such as clean air and pollination, are dwindling. The losses we witness are not isolated. Each extinction is another severed thread. Yet, in recognizing the interplay of every organism in our survival, we prepare ourselves for the ripples this chapter casts, ripples that extend to climate, economies, and human existence. Biodiversity underpins our future. Grasping its value is imperative to forging a resilient path forward. With ecosystems strained under disruptive forces, the specter of climate change rears its head. As extreme weather patterns challenge natural cycles, we're faced with clear signals from melting glaciers to rising seas. The visible tribulations of communities on the brink serve as acute reminders of our shared fate. Yet embedded in these challenges lies the potential for recovery, a beacon calling us to concerted action. The segments that follow shine a light on the individuals, practices, and innovations guiding us toward balance and resilience. The repercussions of ecological disruption ripple into our daily existence. They erode human health and the cornerstones of our global economy. From the air we breathe to the food that sustains us, the impacts are profound. However, in acknowledging these challenges, opportunity blooms. Conservation efforts and sustainable developments stand as testament to our capacity for change. This segment explores the hopeful interventions that can mend our broken bond with nature, crafting a sustainable template for the preservation of health and prosperity. Individual stories embroider the larger narrative of ecological disruption. Beyond abstract concepts lie the tangible effects on real communities, from the plight of bleached coral reefs to the scorched remnants of ancient forests. These accounts transcend despair, igniting global consciousness and inspiring recovery initiatives. United by the knowledge that resilience is possible, we journey through these personal tales towards better decisions. Your witness to these stories opens a gateway to understanding and a platform for transformation. From the shadows of ecological harm, a hopeful vision emerges, spotlighting the global endeavors that sow the seeds of healing. Nature preserves and endangered species projects represent more than efforts of conservation. They are the tangible expressions of our dedication to life's mosaic. Restoration projects symbolize our renewed intimacy with the land, nurturing what has been lost. These gestures are not just charitable, they are pivotal investments in our collective future, displaying that within the heart of degradation lies potential for rebirth. Sustainable practices illuminate our path toward ecological equilibrium, representing essential components of our shared destiny. Embracing renewable energy, sustainable agriculture, and green technology not only shapes a progressive narrative, but also solidifies the foundation of our societal constructs. These practices, steeped in the wisdom of longevity, underscore our ability to mold a harmonious coexistence with nature. As we proceed, the focus shifts to policies and cooperation that can magnify our impact, underscoring our responsibility to avert environmental decline. In the collective pursuit of ecological balance, the role of policy and global teamwork becomes paramount. Policies translate conviction into concrete action, exemplifying how communal efforts and local initiatives complement international accords. The Paris Agreement and other environmental pacts reflect the potential for collective achievements. This coming segment underscores the vital nature of innovation, the linchpin in our endeavor for a greener world, and the powerful strides we can make when we unite our strengths and aspirations. As we conclude this narrative, remember that each of us holds the baton of change. Individual actions resonate through the biodiversity network, influencing the future we craft. Through education and participation, we echo the Earth's rhythm, aiming to achieve environmental consonance. This is a commencement, not a closure, a fervent appeal to all for sustainable living. Embark on this continuous journey and let your actions sow the seeds for a flourishing planet. Carry this inspiration forward, for the Earth saved today enriches the heritage of tomorrow.
Thank you for viewing this video, and we hope you enjoyed this. Do give us some support by liking and sharing this video. Stay tuned for future updates. Happy microlearning. Thank you for viewing this video, and we hope you enjoyed this. Do give us some support by liking and sharing this video. Stay tuned for future updates. Happy microlearning.